pregnancy, you had lost some weight by yourself.
ಹೌದು
Then
ಹೌದು ಹ್ಮ್
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು.
So,
ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂಚೂರು ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
what all you had tried?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸಿಗಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ 2 months ನಾನ್ ವೆಜ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ. ಅವಾಗ
Okay,
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂಚೂರು 1 or 2 kgs ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ
okay,
ಇಂಟರ್ಮಿಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
okay,
ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಒಂದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಾಡಿ ಟೋನಿಂಗ್ ತರ ಅನ್ಸೋದು
okay.
ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಲವ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು
Okay,
So ಅಷ್ಟು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹ್ಮ್, ಅದೇ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಜಂಕ್ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಏನೇನೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂಥರ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಸುಮಾರು ಏನೇನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನೇನ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು 1 week ವರ್ಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
okay, okay. Then what made you think, okay, wellness question, ವಿಖ್ಯಾ ರಕ್ಷತಾ ಒಂದ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ? What made you, motivated?
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್. ಅದು
Okay,
ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಐ ಡೂ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದು. ದಟ್
okay,
ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಐ ಜಾಯಿನ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್.
okay, okay. Final 9 kgs down, right? With us, I think
ಯಾ
77 to 68.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
So,
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅನಿಸಿತ್ತು? And why do you think you could achieve this now, 68 kg?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಸ್ like sugar was a major. I didn't allow sugar. I don't like sweets, but somehow here and there sugar was there. Now it's almost nil. Actually, yesterday car sweet also I have not eaten.
Oh, that's nice. Okay.
Actually, showroom, so many cars were there. They were just giving. I took the bite and gave it to my mother, and I took that small piece and gave it to my mother after they went.
Okay, that's awesome.
Then sugar is one thing. Then chapatis, I thought it was necessary for weight loss. So I used to avoid rice and as far as possible every time take chapati. Now I've almost got away with the chapati. And if I feel hungry also, I'll eat rice. And thing is, sometimes every night they prepare chapati at our house. So sometimes when rice is not there, I have to prepare sambar and rice. That's why I'll skip dinner only. That is one thing.
Yes.
And instead of if earlier I would have eaten one chapati for completion. Then almost coffee tea in between meetings or whole of the day I'll not drink any coffee and tea. That is the major thing. And the 10,000 step count, that is very, like each time after meal, at 15 minutes walking, that's helped a lot because immediately we used to sit thinking, I mean, that is, we'll go for workout and we used to just concentrate on that workout. Whole day being active was a new thing. I mean, I knew it, but I didn't follow that so sincerely before
Correct.
I met you.
ಆಮೇಲೆ 10,000 steps challenge ಒಂದು momentum ಬಂದು, I think then you are almost consistent, right? 10,000 steps
Yes, yes.
literally
Yeah,
happens.
yeah. 10,000 is like minimum baseline. If I put efforts, it will go.
That's nice. You know your secrets now.
And that challenge was very nice. That was the turning point I felt once
Okay, got it.
passing that challenge. That time, like restriction of food, and that was a very nice, almost like a turning point.
Okay. So I think another point is nutrition, right? What do you
Yeah,
think
the
about
thing
that?
I know that acidity component. I mean, the body pH is acidic. I could feel the change eating lot of vegetables. No, I only inside my body can feel that something has happened. Like it's like ಶಾಂತವಾಗಿದೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ body.
Okay, okay.
I don't know. Some difference is there.
Okay.
That salad and lunchtime salad and every time protein in breakfast. These are the two things I'm consistently doing now.
Okay. So nice.
It is somehow cooling the body, I feel.
Super.
Started thinking so many things which I don't believe now. Now I can think of believing that also.
Yeah, yeah. I know. So, when weight was not changing, still you do right things, it is not easy. With these habits built, you will not, go above and down. Maintenance ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
yes, we are.
Again,
In fact, maintenance, we will plan few things.